Okay, next we're going to look at how to do molar mass conversions. So if we're converting between moles and mass, or vice versa, this is what we're going to be doing. So in order to convert between moles and mass, we have to use molar mass. And molar mass can be found on the periodic table. So if we're looking for the molar mass of hydrogen, you just find hydrogen on the periodic table, and it's this number underneath the element symbol. So 1.01 for hydrogen. And the units of molar mass are grams per mole. So that's how much 1 mole of hydrogen would weigh if you were to put it on a scale, keeping in mind hydrogen is a gas, so you would actually have to contain it and then put it on a scale. When we're trying to find the molar mass of a compound, we first need to know the chemical formula of the compound. So aluminum borate is an ionic compound, so you should be looking on your common ion sheet to determine the chemical formula. Aluminum is Al3+, borate is BO3 3-. Since aluminum has a charge of 3+ and borate has a charge of 3-, they go together in a 1-to-1 ratio. So the chemical formula is AlBO3. So when we're finding the molar mass for that, we find each of the elements individually on the periodic table and determine their molar masses. So aluminum, 26.98 grams per mole. And then we add on the boron, 10.81. And then we add on 3 times the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16.00. And you just add that on your calculator. And it's 85.79 grams per mole. So that's how you find the molar mass. Now when we're trying to do conversions using molar mass, it means we're going between moles and mass is signified by grams or kilograms. So this question, how many moles of water are in 250.0 grams sample of water? And this would be about 1 cup of water. So how many moles of water are in about a cup of water? So we start by writing down the number and units given to us in the question. The number in the question is 250.0, the units is grams, and we're working with water. Then we draw our multiplication sign and our division line. The units we're trying to get rid of are always what was written here. So grams of H2O is what we're trying to get rid of. And the units we want to end up with will be given to us in the question. So we're looking for how many moles of water, so moles of H2O. And just like in the last example, whenever you're given a conversion factor here where you have moles and something other than moles, you'll put a 1 with the mole and then figure out how many of that other thing equals 1 mole. So how many grams of H2O equals 1 mole? So to figure out the molar mass of water, we're going to take 2 times the molar mass of hydrogen, which is 1.01, and add on the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16. So 18.02 is the molar mass of water. So we pair up the molar mass with the grams and 1 with the moles. And then to do this on our calculator, we just go 250.0, but you don't have to put that, times by 1. Again, you don't have to multiply by 1. And then divide by 18.02, which is 13.8. We want 4 sig figs, 87 moles of H2O. So it's moles because our grams cancels and we're left with moles of H2O. So there are 13.87 moles of H2O in approximately 1 cup of water.